Welcome guys, let me show you the best way to make consistent profit trading Boon 500 index. Time frame is 5 minutes time frame. Only one indicator is what you need. You need only one indicator, MACD indicator. That is the only indicator you need to make consistent profit trading Boon 500 index. The time frame is 5 minutes time frame. Now, I will show you the settings for this particular indicator before we proceed to how to use the indicator to make consistent profit on Boon 500 index. Now, to set up the indicator, go to function F. Now, hit the indicator, then select MACD. Now, here is the MACD. Here is the MACD. Do you understand? So you hit on it. Now here are the setups for this MACD. Here are what the setup for this MACD. The first EMA is 100. Slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 2. Do you understand? Now apply to close. Now, main signal, you choose the color of your choice. Signal, choose the color of your choice. That is all you needed. You hit done. Do you understand? Now, let me delete one of it. Now, this is what? This is the setup here. This is what? The setup here. Now, let me show you how to make use of this particular indicator to make consistent profit on Boon 500. This particular strategy works best on 5 minutes time frame. Do you understand? 5 minutes time frame. Now we'll be only focusing on buy, on what buy signals. We'll be only focusing on buy signals on Boon 500 index. Time frame 5 minutes time frame. Now this is how the indicator works. Now, when you look at the MACD, indicator, you see here there is the MACD crosses from up downwards. Do you understand? Now, that point where the crossing occurred, this particular point where the crossing occurred, moving from up downward. Moving from up downwards. Look at the direction here. Look at the direction of the movement from up downwards. Now, this is where I want you to pay attention. This is where I want you to do what? Look at this particular point where the crossing occur. Look at this point. Now, I want you to make a buy entry here. I want you to make a what? Buy entry here. Then with proper stop loss. Do you understand? No, why this particular strategy is the best is because we are only focusing on buy, and you know what it means when you are trading Boon and there is a spark. Do you understand? When you are buying Boon and there is a spark. Do you understand? So all those sparks, look at this spark, look at this particular one, look at this particular one, look at this particular one. So all of them are in your favor. Do you understand? All of them are what? In your favor. So this particular strategy is developed based on, I developed this particular strategy based on buying only. Do you understand? Buying what? Only. Now, if you make your entry, let me show you. If you make your entry here, trace it up. If you make your entry here, so this is what profit for you. Do you understand? And you see that the sparks are in your favor. So we are only concentrating on buying. Do you understand? Only what? Only buying. Now let's look for another crossing. Now watch here. Look at another crossing. I told you that where you should focus is where the MACD crosses from above downward. That is the particular point where your focus should be at this point where the MACD crosses from above downward. Do you understand? At that point of crossing, that is where you should do what? Make your entry. Do you understand? So for this particular one, look at it. Look at where the crossing occur here. You see where the crossing occurs. So I want you to make your entry here. Look at the crossing here. So I want you to make your entry here. Do you understand? And this is what excess profit. So you see all these sparks are what in your favor. Are you getting it? So this is what a clear strategy. This is what a profitable strategy. Do you understand? Boom, 500. Time frame is 5 minutes. What time frame? Do you understand? Only buying signals. We don't sell. Only buying what? Only buying signals. Do you understand? So look at here. This is another crossing here. Look at another crossing here. So I want you to make your what? Entry. This is the crossing here. So I want you to make your entry here and do what? And this is what XX profit for you. Do you understand? So guys, this particular strategy pays very, very well. Do you understand? This particular strategy pays very, very well. Do you understand? It works best on 5 minutes time frame. Boom, 500, 5 minutes time frame. Do you understand? So this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Do you understand? Share the video so that others will do what? Benefit. Thank you.